Hi, we're going to make wonton soup. We use chicken and shrimp to make the wonton. And that's a half a pound of chicken, half a pound, and that's like you dice them or you cut them or chop them small pieces. You know, like that. You know, like we use like that small pieces, like that. You know, like that. And also half pound of chicken and half pound of diced shrimp. Any size you want, and just dice them up, you know, small pieces, and just like that. And you have to put some seasoning in it, and you need 1 teaspoon of white pepper, then and some sesame seed oil, 1 tablespoon black pepper, just a little bit, maybe 1 table, something like half, just a little, sprinkle some, you know, black pepper, and a little bit of 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, oyster sauce, one oyster sauce, 2 oyster sauce, 1 egg, any kind of egg. And you mix them together. Oh, you should put a little bit of salt in it, just a little bit. 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you mix together, like that. Usually it's better without, you can turn it like one direction. You'll make it kind of more sticky and crispy. Okay, then we start making the wonton, and you go get the wonton wrapper, and have to be you're better using the thin one, like that. Okay, then we're gonna start wrapping it. Just real simple. You just wrap around it. Sometimes you can buy the bigger wrapper, and sometimes the small wrapper, depend on what you got. Okay, that's about done. There's about 30-40 pieces here. Okay. Then we heat up some water. So you put them in a little bit at a time, you know, so just put them in a little bit at a time. I make them out, you know. You can make it wherever, you know, what you need and how much you need. It takes probably around, when it's boiling, you bring it up to boiling about probably around 5 minutes, and it'll cook. So in the meantime, we're gonna make the soup. That's about six cups of water. Here, 6 cups. It's better you measure the bowl, so you know how much water you need, so you don't make them too much or something. So you have to weigh on that. Then this one you just keep stirring them. so they don't stick on the bottom. So when they cook and they will floating in the top, they halfway they cook. See, you can see them start floating up on the top. So you wait until you see the bubbling, and also the thing on the top that pretty much will cook, you know. And but we wait for like 4 or 5 minutes after that, you know. So you just keep cooking for other 5 minutes after they kind of floating on top. And the other thing is in the soup here. So we make the soup on the other side. So we're gonna use some of the pak choy in it, baby pak choy. Yeah, and the seasoning, we're gonna put some seasoning in it. Okay, then we're gonna put like 3 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. 1, 2, 3. Then put the around 3 teaspoons of salt. And some white pepper, about half teaspoon of white pepper. Then a couple teaspoon of teaspoon of sesame seed oil, maybe 3, yeah, 3. See, like that. So at the meantime, this is pretty much done. See, they're boiling. We just wait a little bit. Okay, I think it's ready. Okay, just about 5 minutes. I think we need a little bit more soup. I think we add a couple, maybe one more cup of soup in it. So all together is 7 cups of soup. Okay, that's been ready about 5 minutes after we boiling, after the thing cook on the top. And you just scoop them out. But you have to using the thin wonton skin, you know, wonton wrapper. Okay, like that. Okay, so we're gonna put that thing in here. See, like that. Then we're gonna put some little onions in it. Green onion. Little bit of cilantro in it. And that chicken wonton soup.